Learn English to Gujarati, comprehensive to contradictory with
વ્યાપક
and.
વિરોધાભાસી.
Welcome to the word circus. Hey, you're about to learn some seriously smart words without falling asleep on chapter 1. That alone is a miracle worthy of applause. Today you will meet 8 useful English words and their Gujarati partners. We start big with comprehensive, which is
વ્યાપક.
then comes detailed.
વિગતવાર.
For conscience, we use
કોન્સીસ.
precise is,
ચોક્કસ.
coherent is,
તાર્કિક.
comprehensible is,
સમજાય તેવું.
incomplete is,
લુક એન્ડ હાફ્ટ.
and contradictory is.
વિરોધાભાસી.
Yes, this chapter is basically a tiny vocabulary gym, but with fewer push-ups and more words. The professor with the giant sandwich. Let's throw these words into a silly story so your brain says, ah yes, I shall keep this forever. Or at least until tomorrow morning. Professor Doomketu walked into class carrying a sandwich so huge it needed its own timetable. He announced, this is not just lunch. This is a
વ્યાપક.
meal. That meant comprehensive. It had bread, cheese, vegetables, chutney, and what looked suspiciously like a philosophy degree. Then he opened his notes. They were
વિગતવાર.
detailed enough to explain not only how to eat the sandwich, but also how the sandwich felt emotionally about being eaten. When a student tried to steal one bite, the professor touched his chest and said, listen to your.
કોન્સીસ.
His conscience, apparently, preferred honesty over snack theft. Another student asked, exactly how many olives are in this lesson? The professor replied, B.
ચોક્કસ.
Ask a precise question. By the end, his explanation was
તાર્કિક.
so coherent, that even the sleepy student in the back nodded wisely while drooling on page 3. And once the professor simplified everything, the whole lecture became
સમજાય તેવું.
comprehensible. Sadly, one handout was
લુક એન્ડ હાફ્ટ.
incomplete because page 2 had gone on holiday. Worst of all, the final quiz said, write short answers, but the next line said, write very long answers. Completely
વિરોધાભાસી.
contradictory. The sandwich was innocent, but the quiz was chaos. Word by word, like a friendly detective. Now you will hear each word clearly with a simple meaning and a memorable example. Nice and easy. No sandwich theft required. Comprehensive is
વ્યાપક.
example. The report gives a
વ્યાપક.
overview of the problem. Think broad, complete, covering a lot. Detailed is
વિગતવાર.
example. She gave a
વિગતવાર.
explanation. Think many details, not just the skeleton, but the socks too. Conscience is
કોન્સીસ.
example. My
કોન્સીસ.
tells me to be honest. Think your inner voice, the tiny moral drummer in your chest. Precise is
ચોક્કસ.
example. She gave a
ચોક્કસ.
answer. Think exact, sharp, no guessing. Coherent is
તાર્કિક.
example. The argument sounds
તાર્કિક.
think logical, well connected, making sense. Comprehensible is
સમજાય તેવું.
example. Please make your instructions more.
સમજાય તેવું.
Think understandable, clear enough for humans and maybe clever cats. Incomplete is
લુક એન્ડ હાફ્ટ.
example. The report is
લુક એન્ડ હાફ્ટ.
think missing parts, gaps, a puzzle with suspiciously absent pieces. Contradictory is
વિરોધાભાસી.
example. His 2 statements were
વિરોધાભાસી.
think they clash, like saying, I am absolutely silent, through a megaphone. Mini dialogue chaos. Time for fast, funny dialogues. Listen for the Gujarati word and connect it to the English meaning. A. Is this summary enough? B. No, we need something.
વ્યાપક.
We need something comprehensive. A. Can you explain it? B. Yes, in a
વિગતવાર.
way. In a detailed way. A. Should I cheat? B. Listen to your
કોન્સીસ.
Listen to your conscience. A. Is your answer exact? B. Yes, it is.
ચોક્કસ.
It is precise. A. Does your explanation make sense? B. Yes, it is.
તાર્કિક.
It is coherent. A. I do not get this. B. Let me explain it more simply. A. Ah, now it is.
સમજાય તેવું.
Now it is comprehensible. A. Is this file complete? B. No, it is.
Look enhanced.
It is incomplete. A. These two answers do not match. B. Yes, they are.
વિરોધાભાસી.
They are contradictory. Memory tricks that are almost legal. Let's make these words stick in your mind with quick images. Your memory likes pictures, drama, and ridiculous nonsense. 4.
વ્યાપક.
Imagine a giant umbrella covering everything. Comprehensive means wide and complete. 4.
વિગતવાર.
Imagine a notebook packed with tiny notes and arrows. Detailed means full of specifics. 4.
કોન્ઝીસ.
Put your hand on your heart. Conscience is your inner moral voice. 4.
ચોક્કસ.
Picture an arrow hitting the exact center of the target. Precise means exact. 4.
તાર્કિક.
Imagine puzzle pieces fitting neatly together. Coherent means logical and connected. 4.
સમજાય તેવું.
Picture fog clearing from a road. Comprehensible means understandable. 4.
Look enhanced.
Imagine a book with missing pages. Incomplete means it has gaps. 4.
વિરોધાભાસી.
Imagine two road signs pointing in opposite directions. Contradictory means they cannot both fit. Quick quiz, brave human. You are doing great. Now test yourself before your brain pretends it was not listening. What Gujarati word means comprehensive?
વ્યાપક.
What Gujarati word means detailed?
વિગતવાર.
What Gujarati word means conscience?
કોન્ઝીસ.
What Gujarati word means precise?
ચોક્કસ.
What Gujarati word means coherent?
તાર્કિક.
What Gujarati phrase means comprehensible?
સમજાય તેવું.
What Gujarati word here means incomplete?
Look enhanced.
What Gujarati word means contradictory?
વિરોધાભાસી.
One last challenge. Let's finish strong. I will give you a sentence idea, and you imagine the correct Gujarati word. We need a comprehensive plan, not a small fix. The key word is
વ્યાપક.
please send a detailed report. The key word is
વિગતવાર.
a clear conscience brings peace. The key word is
કોન્ઝીસ.
we need a precise measurement. The key word is
ચોક્કસ.
we need a coherent explanation before the meeting. The key word is
તાર્કિક.
after her explanation, the process was comprehensible. The key phrase is
સમજાય તેવું.
the information is incomplete. The key word is
Look enhanced.
the evidence is contradictory. The key word is
વિરોધાભાસી.
friendly goodbye. You made it, and your vocabulary is now officially more dangerous than a professor with a giant sandwich. That is progress. Thank you for learning with me today. Keep practicing these words out loud.
વ્યાપક. વિગતવાર. કોન્ઝીસ. ચોક્કસ. તાર્કિક. સમજાય તેવું. Look enhanced.
And
વિરોધાભાસી.
practice a little today, a little tomorrow, and soon these words will feel natural. Thanks for listening, and keep going, you are doing great.